This video is basically a gift to all of my subscribers who are watching my videos daily, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that nobody will tell you. Because if you're doing the Amazon FBA business, then you know that if you want to grow your business and if you want to rank your product on Amazon search engine, then you must need to have good performance on Amazon FBA PPC, right? And that you can achieve only if time to time you will keep doing the PPC audit, like maybe after 1 or 2 weeks. When you do the PPC audit of your Amazon FBA listings, then you will know like at what point you need improvement, what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right. For example, if you are burning money into the PPC campaigns, so you will know like from which keyword you are not getting sales and you are only spending money. So later on you can do the investigation, like if that particular keyword is not relevant to your product, so you might need to put in negative targeting, or if the keyword is relevant and still not giving sales, then you might need to investigate like what is the problem here. Like either you want to increase the bid or do something for good conversion. So to find out all of those errors and how to improve those errors, you need to perform the PPC audit, right? And believe me guys, this is something for which me and every other provider here is charging. Like I myself usually charge $50 for one PPC audit, and some people usually charge even higher. So if at this point, if you're excited to learn about this, like how you can actually perform your own PPC audit, find out your own mistakes and improve your own mistake to scale your PPC and scale your Amazon FBA business, then keep on watching this video till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. Because in this video, I'm going to be truly transparent with you guys and I will not skip any part, right? So all I need from you is like the video, subscribe the channel and keep on watching other videos, because every time I try to create videos which will help you in troubleshooting your e-commerce issues, tips and tricks and strategies to grow your business. And the main thing is all of these videos and content is free and you can watch it anytime on YouTube. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon FBA Seller Central. So basically you can see that this is one of my account on which I am having one product, and you can see that this is the campaign manager and this is the data for past 2 months. After spending $1,800, I have got almost $6,000 sale from this account, and 30% is the A cost, and I've got total 1742 clicks. And if I scroll down, you can see that there are only 2 campaigns which are turned on and other campaigns are off. And on the right side, I can show you that for these 2 campaigns, the budget is $9 daily. And if I scroll right side, you can see the rest data, like how much money I have spent on each campaign, how many clicks I've got, what was the conversion rate, what is the CTR, what is the A cost, and how much sales I have got from each campaign. And later on in this video, when I'll show you how to perform the audit, I'll show you like from where you can see that from which keyword you are getting these sales and which keyword are good and which keyword are bad, right? So if I scroll up and if I show the overall sales of these same rate range, so you can see that from 1st June till 18 August, if I go back and go on the business reports and then put the same filter like from 1st June till 18 August. So here you can see that the total revenue including PPC and organic is $13,000. So that means you can see here, after spending $1,800, the $6,000 revenue I got from PPC and the total was $13,000, right? So if I subtract $6,000, that means $7,000 revenue I got totally organic without spending any money of PPC. So that is a big win. Like 60% order I'm getting organic and 40% from PPC which I have to pay. So the total tag cost is under 10% and that product is actually in profit, right? So now let's go back on PPC dashboard and I'll show you how you can do the audit, how you can find out and correct your mistake, and how you can actually get profitable on your every product. So to do that, you have to go back on PPC Campaign Manager, and on the left side you have to open that menu, scroll down and you have to find out this tab, Measurement and Reporting. So click on that. And here you can see that 2 tabs, Sponsored Ad Report and Amazon Attribution. So basically from here you have to click on this one, Sponsored Ad Report, and then from here you have to basically download the search term report for the PPC, right? So to download that, you have to click on this Create Report. So right now from this page, you don't have to change anything. Let's keep everything as it is, but only change time unit from summary to daily sales. And the rest, sponsored product, search term and 30 days, you have to keep as it is. And then when you scroll down, so here the request time is now, because we want that report right now, right? So after all of these settings, you have to click on Run Report and then wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So here you can see that my report has been scheduled and the status is pending. So after 2 minutes, you have to refresh that page and then you will be able to download that report from here. So after downloading, you have to open that report in Excel sheet or maybe Google Sheet, and then from here you have to perform the audit. Alright, so as you can see here, I have just refreshed that page and my report is completed, and from the right side I have to click on download. So here you can see that the report has been downloaded and I have just opened that report in Google Sheet. So here you can see that the report has been opened and I can see the data for past 30 days, right? So here you can see that this is the date column, portfolio name, currency, the campaign type, campaign name, and if I scroll right side, so here you can see that this is the data we want. So from here you can see that we can see the date-wise data for each and every campaign, like how much impression we have got, how much clicks we have got, what was the CTR, like click-through rate, what was the cost per click, how much spend, how much sale, and what was the ACoS. So basically you can see that there are some campaigns who are having no ACoS and there are some campaigns who are having high ACoS, right? So now at this point, we have to get the help of filters, and first of all, we have to put the filter for those campaigns who are having ACoS more than 30 or 40%. So then we will be able to know that these campaigns are having high ACoS, but they are performing. And then one by one, we have to put other filter in which we have to filter out all of those campaigns which are having no ACoS. That means which are spending but not giving us result, right? So let me just show you the example how we put the filter, and then later on I'll show you how we can decide like which campaign we have to keep or which campaign we have to pause or delete, or in which campaign we need to improve, like improve the bids of the keyword or maybe add or delete some new keywords, right? So for example, if I want to put the filter on this ACoS tab and I want only those campaigns which are having zero ACoS, so I have to click here, and then I have to click on filters, and then I have to click on this create filter, and you can see that the filter has been added on each row. So from here you can see that this is the filter. So if I only want those campaigns who are not having ACoS like 0, so I can just clear that and I can just click on blank. And then if I click on OK, so here you can see that I can see only those campaigns which are having zero ACoS, right? And when I scroll left, so you can see that these campaigns are spending some money. You can see the first one has spent $1, $9, $9, $7, even $10, right? So if after spending $10, I'm not even getting ACoS or I'm not even getting only one sale, and the CPC like cost per click is 1.43 I have to bear, so that means this campaign is not performing. So by putting that filter, I can just put those campaigns into red. Like for example here, I can select those campaign name till the bottom, and then I can just put the color red. So here you can see that all of the campaigns are red right now. And then now if I just remove that filter, like the ACoS filter, and clear, I have to select all and then click on OK. So here you can see that all of those campaigns which I mark red are red now and rest are white. So in that way, it will be very easy for me to identify which campaign is bad and which campaign is good, right? So all of these campaigns which are red, that means they are spending but they are not getting sale, right? So now I have to put another filter from here, ACoS, and then I have to just filter out all of those campaigns which are having ACoS more than 30%, right? So I have to click on filter by condition now here, and in the condition I can just put greater than value formula 30, and then I have to click on OK. So here you can see that when I put the filter for less than or equal to 30%, so I have filtered out all of those campaigns who are having zero ACoS or who are having ACoS more than 30%, right? You can see that 14%, 25%, 23, 14. So if I just go back and select all of these campaign name, and then I just put them into green, because these campaigns are good, having ACoS less than 30%, and they are spending and they are giving sale. So if I just put them green, and then if I just go there now and remove the filter for the ACoS. So if I just remove this, if I just click on none and then OK. So here you can see that all of those campaigns which are really bad, having zero ACoS, are red, and all of those campaigns which are good are green, and rest of the campaign are white, right? So right now in that way, you can just play around with this sheet. You can just put the filter and take advantage of those filter, and you can just even change this in your own style. Like I have just put the color for the campaign name, and if you want, you can just change the color of the whole row. So if you go forward, you can see the other data in the red, green and yellow color as well, right? So now you can see that these campaigns are good, these campaigns are bad, and the white one are need improvement. So all of those campaigns which are in red, you can just go back on the PPC, copy the campaign name, find out that campaign here, and then you can just turn off those campaigns, or you can just make decision as per your strategy, right? And for those campaigns who are here in white, you can just copy the campaign name, go there, find out that campaign, and try to find out what's wrong with that. Like maybe the conversion rate is not good, maybe the CTR is not good. If the CTR is good, that means it's getting click but not sale. So in that way, as per your strategy, you might need to increase or decrease the bid for some keyword. So that's how you have to perform the audit. And after making the audit, what are the decisions that you have to make? Like either you have to close the campaign or change the budget or bid of the campaign. So that decision you have to make as per your strategy. So to make the strategy and to make the decision, that is another complicated topic, and if you want to learn that in detail, so you can just watch my other video in the same playlist, in which I am having more than 50 videos in Amazon PPC with different scenarios. So after doing that audit, you can just go there, watch those videos just to learn like how you have to act and make changes after doing that audit. So if you learn that as well, then all of the problems which you have just find out in this audit, you will be able to solve those problems, and then you will be able to optimize your PPC regularly and improve that performance to make your sales better. So I hope at this point you know how to perform the audit and how to find out the mistakes in your campaign, like which are good, which are bad, and which need modification. So after watching this video, go there, perform your PPC audit, and then make changes accordingly to make it better. And if you have any question, you can just ask your question under this video, and I will myself reply to each and every question of yours so you can get the guidance and improve your performance. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.